Hello everyone, and welcome to another inspiring episode of Wisdom Waves, where we bring you real conversation and real change makers to uplift, enlighten, and empower just not yourself but all the others in this world. So, I'm your host Swati Gupta, and today we are diving into a topic that blends science, energy, and spiritual wisdom, something that many of us have heard about, but only few truly understand: quantum manifestation, aligning energy to attract abundance. And to help us decode what it means, how to really do it, and what exactly it is, I am honored to welcome this incredible guest of mine, Dr. Piyush Bhatia, a transformation life coach, healer, author, and someone who has helped thousands of individuals unlock true potential using the power of energy and consciousness. So thank you so much, Dr. Piyush, for coming to our show, and it's such a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you, Swati. I am honored to be here. You are doing such a good job with all these people, and I'm glad I can be of help.
Oh, that is so sweet. That is so sweet. By the way, for the people who don't know, this is so she started with my first episode and now she's on my 40th episode. So, that is even more incredible. So I have listed a few questions for you, Dr. Piyush.
Sure.
So I will just jump into the questions and let's sail through. Yeah.
Sure.
So, first question is, let's begin with the roots because that's what we need to know first. For parents and all the people who are watching here, what exactly is quantum manifestation and how does it relate to our daily lives?
So let's talk about what is manifestation.
Hmm.
Anything when you dream of something and it
Yeah.
becomes alive, you can hold it in
Hmm.
your hand or you see it. That's when we say, "I manifested it." Right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
that's manifestation. So till now, people had seen the movie Secret and they know about law of attraction, right?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
everybody thought that is how it law of attraction works, but they were not getting results. Law of attraction movie said कि okay, आप स्टेयरिंग पे हाथ रखोगे, लाल कार को imagine करोगे, and it will come to your home. It never
Yeah.
came. Nobody had a lal car waiting outside, or people did not
Huh.
get it,
Huh.
right? So there was something missing,
Huh.
and that missing part is where the quantum comes in. So there are two ways of living,
Hmm.
Swati. One is the Newtonian way, where
Okay.
we make an effort and things happen.
Yeah.
And the other is the quantum way. So
Okay.
if you look at everything, so if you
Hmm.
look at this wall behind me, it looks solid, but
Yeah.
it's not solid. It is made up of
Oh,
electrons, protons, and neutrons, right?
okay.
And in
Yeah.
between the electrons, there's empty space. Now, what
Hmm.
is this empty space? This empty space is nothing but energy. And
Okay.
energy vibrates and it has its own frequency. So, when we talk about quantum manifestation, it is actually an advanced form of manifestation
Okay.
which was not told to us. It was
Wow.
now it is coming out into the open, and science has proved with experiments that quantum manifestation is the way where
Hmm.
we are the creators of our own reality. Because if we talk about law of
Yeah.
attraction doesn't work standalone. Law of
Hmm.
attraction actually works when there is a law of vibration also involved. So, as I
Okay.
said, everything is energy, everything
Hmm.
vibrates, and everything
Yeah.
has a frequency. So, अगर
Hmm.
इसको ऐसे समझे स्वाति, if I say you were a radio
Yeah.
and you are at a frequency of say 93.5, and
Hmm.
you want to hear a song which is playing at 102.6, and you don't like the song which you are hearing right now, which is at
Yeah.
93. What do you need to do?
I will increase the volume.
Exactly. So you'll increase the frequency. You'll say
Yeah.
93.5 है, but I don't want. तो
Hmm.
102.6 पे हमें वो frequency match करनी है. Same
Correct.
way,
Correct.
if I ask you, what do you want in life? So you'll say, ma'am, I want health,
Hmm.
relationships, money, career,
Hmm.
happiness. Are these
Hmm.
things positive or negative? They're all positive.
Obviously,
Right?
yes.
Yeah. So if Now let's understand, if I talk about emotions, and emotions are
Hmm.
also energy in motion,
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
let's think about a fictitious scale. Let's say 0 to 700 का एक स्केल है, ठीक है?
ठीक है.
और उसमें हाँ 350 से नीचे सारी नेगेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसीज हैं. There is
Okay.
hate, there is fear, there is jealousy, there is anger, there is frustration, worries, tensions. And
Yeah.
above 350 are all the positive: hope,
Hmm.
joy, love, happiness, gratitude, compassion. ठीक है?
Okay. Hmm.
So if I ask you, where do you stay most of the day? So somewhere you will say, यार या तो मिडल में रहती हूँ, बहुत काम
Hmm.
हो में भी चली जाती हूँ, ऊपर भी चली
Hmm.
जाती हूँ. But most of the day, if you look at me, I'm either frustrated, or I'm angry, or I'm
Hmm. Hmm.
screaming, or I'm
Yeah.
trying to make things happen. So
Yeah.
worried हूँ, tension में हूँ. तो हम
हाँ.
रहते नीचे हैं, which is a negative, and we're
Okay.
looking for something which is positive.
Okay.
Is there a
Okay.
frequency match?
Hmm. It cannot. It
No.
just cannot.
Will
Hmm.
that come into your life? No.
Yeah. Hmm.
That's where
It
quantum
cannot.
manifestation.
It practically cannot because our frequency is just not matching. So yeah.
या सो कहानी ये है कि गाना वो बजेगा आपकी लाइफ में जिस
Hmm.
फ्रीक्वेंसी पर आप वाइब्रेट करोगे.
Oh
और
wow.
अगर हम
Okay.
सिंपल लैंग्वेज में इसको क्वांटम मैनिफेस्टेशन कहना चाहें तो दिस इज व्हाट इट इज.
Wow.
तो वाइब्रेशन जो है उसको
Hmm.
डिफाइन करा जाए अगर, तो
Hmm.
इट इज व्हाट योर वाइब्रेशन मीन्स. इफ यू वांट टू वाइब्रेट एट समथिंग, you have to
Yeah.
match your thoughts, your feelings, your beliefs, and your
Hmm.
actions.
Wow. Okay.
That's your vibration. So
Got it.
if you have this kind of understanding, and which everybody should have now, this
Yeah.
is where the game changer is.
Lovely, lovely. Wow, this is so beautiful. I
Yeah.
think you've simplified it so beautifully.
Yeah.
Ki, because our frequency does not match, that is why we're not able to get what we are manifesting, and why some people are able to get results. That's the answer to actually
Yeah.
that why.
So simply, if you think about it, why some people are super successful at 30. Like if you look
Yeah,
at Mark Zuckerberg, he was sitting in a room and
yeah.
he had the idea of creating a Facebook where while there were 10 more people sitting. Why did they not have an idea?
Hmm.
Because he
Very
was
true.
vibrating at the frequency of that idea and he got it.
Correct, correct. So
Yeah.
much makes sense. Yes, absolutely. That's so true. So
Yeah.
so let's also talk about this. Like we feel stuck. We feel stuck because of finances, because emotionally, because of our careers. So obviously when I understand frequency, but why are we actually stuck? Can someone truly shift the reality just by aligning their energy, and where can we even start?
Okay. So if we talk about being stuck,
Mm.
think about it. Where are we generally stuck? We are either stuck in the past,
Mm.
we can't forget the past, we cannot forgive people,
Yeah,
or we are stuck thinking about the future.
correct.
Right?
Absolutely.
Right? So either whenever we say stress हो रहा है, stuck feel हो रहा है, depression हो रहा है, it's
Mm.
because something from the past you're holding on, or you're holding on to, or you're thinking too much about the future.
Correct,
In the
correct.
present moment, there is no stuckness. If we
Hmm.
talk about
Very
this
true.
now, are you feeling anything? No, you are in
Huh.
this present moment listening to me, they
Yeah.
grasping all that I'm saying. So in this present moment, there is no stuckness,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
So think about it.
Yeah.
Power is not in the past, power is not in the future. The power is in the present moment,
Present. Yeah.
right?
Absolutely.
And
That's
where
true.
does manifestation happen? Manifestation doesn't happen in the past, it doesn't
No, it
happen
does
in the future.
not. Yeah.
Happens in the present moment.
Present. Hmm. Correct.
That's the zero state. And that's
Huh.
where manifestation happens.
Huh.
So,
Huh.
does that answer your question?
Yes, absolutely it does. So we should not worry about the past. We should not worry about the future. We should think about the present because present, by its name, it is a present. It's a gift. So we should enjoy it, and that's how manifestation works. If I'm
Yes.
right.
Yes, 100%.
Lovely, lovely,
Okay,
lovely.
when you are in the present month, think about it. If you are in the past, you are in worry. You are actually thinking you are in grief, or you are sad, or some emotion you're carrying.
Correct,
Or if you're in the future, you're worried, you're fearful of the future, and all those things are happening. And
correct,
these
correct.
are going to lower your vibration. So if you are in
Hmm.
the present moment and you are, let's say, people come and ask me, what is our what is the purpose of our life? So if
Yeah.
I have to tell you in one word, your purpose
Hmm.
of your life is enjoy. INJOY. It's not
Okay.
ENJOY.
Why? Okay.
Right? So if
Huh.
you are in joy and if you are in this present moment where there's no worry, there is no fear, nothing,
Huh.
your vibration is high. Now,
Huh.
whatever you ask for, will you create it?
Huh.
Of course.
Wow. Right,
Yeah.
right. Bilkul.
It's as
It is
simple as
now
that.
making sense. Yeah, yeah. Because when we are in our present, then we actually do not have anything in our brains other than
Yes.
enjoying that moment.
Yes.
Because it's
Yes.
just the past and the future thing which is making us so bugged up,
100%.
think about it, and have unnecessary covering. Like, just say, we say now there's a invisible covering around us which is not letting us see beyond.
Yes, 100%.
Wow.
Because now it is keeping you stuck. The fear of
Hmm.
future is keeping you stuck.
Yeah,
जब
yeah.
आएगा देख लेंगे ना. When this bridge comes, we'll
Okay,
cross it.
right.
Right? But
Right.
we are
Wow.
thinking about, oh, this will happen, that will happen. What if I'm
Ah,
not able to do it? We are not in the present moment. Okay, let
yeah.
me. Okay, so let's take it this way. If I have to
Hmm.
go to, let's say, I have to go to Agra.
Okay.
Okay, so I have to go to Agra. When will I see
Hmm.
Agra? Will I see it 1 kilometers before? No, I
Ah.
will only see it when I reach.
When you
Right?
reach there.
So
Until
what do
unless
I
you
do?
can see as in a
Yeah,
telescope or something
you
like that, in a doorbin or something, that is the
कुछ नहीं
difference.
दिखेगा.
But
तब भी
till the
आपको
time
नहीं
you
दिखेगा. एक
reach,
किलोमीटर दूर नहीं दिखेगा, है ना?
हाँ, हाँ,
So
हाँ,
only job right now is to
hmm,
enjoy the 200 meters that you're traveling, because that
hmm,
is the only thing you can see or feel or enjoy. So why
correct.
not enjoy the rasta, the your journey? Yeah,
Journey.
let's enjoy the journey and just focus on the 200 meters and be in and enjoy this. And when you're enjoying what you have right now,
Hmm.
will your manifestation come true? Yes, because you are in a
Yes.
higher vibration.
Hmm.
And that is the whole science behind it,
Wow. Wow.
right?
How lovely. Hmm. So you speak often about thoughts, energy. How do our thoughts, emotions, vibration affect what we attract, especially when we are under stress?
Okay.
अब हमें पता है हम stress में हैं,
हाँ.
but in that situation, how can we attract that?
ओके. सो इट इज नॉट दैट कि मैनिफेस्टेशन कभी कभी काम करता है, या हमें बैठ के सुबह सोचना है कि ओ टुडे नाउ मॉर्निंग आई विल गेट अप, आई विल राइट माय मैनिफेस्टेशंस, आई विल डू माय एफर्मेशंस, आई विल डू माय मेडिटेशन एंड थिंग्स विल हैपन. इट डजंट हैपन लाइक दैट. लॉ
Yeah.
ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, लॉ ऑफ वाइब्रेशन, ऑल दीज लॉज, जैसे कि
हाँ,
ग्रेविटी है. इट्स नॉट दैट कि ओ आज वेडनेसडे, आज ग्रेविटी काम नहीं कर रही है. It
हाँ,
doesn't happen like that. Or, oh,
हाँ,
this person is a well-known person. ये तो अंबानी का बेटा है, ये तो गिरेगा तो नीचे नहीं जाएगा, ऊपर जाएगा.
हाँ, हाँ.
Gravity works on you all the time and irrespective of who you are. And
Hmm.
that is how this law of vibration, law of attraction are working on you 24 by 7.
Okay.
So
Okay.
you have to understand, when you are in lower vibration, you are actually destroying your manifestation. And
Oh.
when you are in higher vibration, you are actually attracting or making your manifestation stronger and easier and
Hmm.
more. It's easy to attract them.
Yeah, yeah.
When you are in stress, think about it. You are actually lowering your vibration because you are angry or you're fearful or you're stressed,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
that is when you are actually destroying what you wanted to create. Problem यही हो रहा है.
Yeah.
You know what people are doing nowadays? There are
Yeah.
so many tools on internet, right? कि
Hmm. Hmm.
369 कर लो, affirmations कर लो, visualization कर लो, and people are
Correct.
doing all that in the morning, right?
Hmm.
But the problem is, why are they not manifesting? And you
Ah.
have to understand what the reason is, because you don't attract what you want, you
Hmm.
attract who you
What
are.
you and what you think.
Yeah,
Hmm.
and who you are is the combination of your thoughts, your feelings, and that's the game. Think about
Yeah.
it. So your
Hmm.
thoughts, जैसे आपके thoughts वैसे आपकी feeling,
Correct.
जैसे आपकी feeling वैसा आपका behavior, जैसे
Correct.
आपके behavior वैसे आपके action, और
Yeah.
जैसे आपकी action वैसे आपकी destiny. So
Hmm.
destiny बदलनी है तो क्या बदलना होगा?
हाँ,
Thoughts and
correct.
feelings. And that's what people are not getting. They are doing all these things without
Hmm.
understanding कि, okay, the basic thing is to change the personality, as Joe Dispenza says, change your personality and change your reality. Your
हाँ.
your personality creates your personal reality. And
Hmm.
if you get that, that is the game changer.
Hmm. Wow.
And the good thing is, you're carrying all these vibrations inside of you. You're
Hmm.
carrying hurt, you're carrying pain, you're carrying
Hmm.
anger from lifetimes. And
Hmm.
just forget the lifetimes. You've been carrying it since your childhood. And
Yeah.
all this lying, it's lying in your DNA, it's lying in
Hmm.
your chakras, it's here. And
Hmm.
that, whatever you're carrying, is becoming your vibration.
Yeah.
That's your default vibration. कितनी
Hmm.
consciously कितना सोच लोगे?
Right.
Conscious is only 5%.
Right.
Rest is subconscious. And
Yeah.
what is in the subconscious? All the negative beliefs that you have, all
Correct.
the negative trauma that you have, all
Correct.
this trauma is lying in your subconscious. And subconscious 95% है. अब आपकी vibration क्या है? Your thoughts, beliefs.
Yeah. Yeah.
All your thoughts, beliefs, feelings which are sitting inside are becoming your default vibration. And
Wow.
then you are saying, I'm not able
Hmm.
to
Hmm.
create. The reason is, if you work on all this, then only some creation will start to happen.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
But how do we work on this? Now, suppose I am feeling that I am absolutely blank. As per you saying, okay, I will not think about my problems. I will not think about the stress and everything. But it does not happen.
Swati,
There
think
has to
about
have
it.
a
I
process.
said conscious is only 5%. आप सुबह
Hmm.
उठ के consciously affirmation करते हो and you tell the universe, I am a creator, I am peaceful, I am calm. And the moment you leave your room, your maid comes, or your staff comes, and you start screaming because there is, now where is your vibration,
Yeah, exactly. Hmm.
right? Or you look at your work and you suddenly have all the stress rush in. Where is your
Hmm.
vibration? सो थिंक अबाउट इट. अभी उस समय क्या होता है? उस समय कॉन्शियसली नहीं सोच रहे, उस समय
Conscious.
आपके सबकॉन्शियस
Correct.
पैटर्न्स निकल के आ रहे हैं, आपके सबकॉन्शियस
Huh.
बिलीफ्स निकल के आ रहे हैं. एंड व्हाट इज योर बिलीफ? अर्निंग मनी इज हार्ड, और आई हैव टू रियली वर्क हार्ड फॉर सक्सेस. मुझे तो
Hmm.
सक्सेस मिलेगी नहीं, वो तो अमीर होना मुश्किल है, और
Yeah.
समथिंग
Yeah.
समथिंग. एंड वी आर अ सम टोटल ऑफ अ
Yeah.
बिलीफ सिस्टम्स,
Correct.
राइट? सो लाइफ में कुछ एक्सपीरियंस हुआ, वो
Hmm.
हमारा बिलीफ बना. प्रॉब्लम ये है कि अब ये बिलीफ हमारी
Hmm.
रियलिटी क्रिएट कर रहा है, हमारे
Huh.
एक्सपीरियंस क्रिएट कर रहा है. तो जब तक वो बिलीफ पे काम नहीं होगा, जब तक वो थॉट्स और फीलिंग्स नहीं बदलेंगी, तब तक
नहीं
मैनिफेस्टेशन
वर्क करेगा.
5%
हम्म.
होगा जो
तो
आप
अब हमें
कर रहे हैं
बिलीव्स के लिए क्या
विद
क्या
द
करना चाहिए, मतलब ये सब बदलने के लिए व्हाट डू यू थिंक वी शुड डू? लाइक गिव मी अ स्मॉल
यू
माइंड
शुड
मैप कि हाँ मुझे ये 5 चीजें आप करो एंड देन ग्रेजुअली यू स्टार्ट सीइंग द चेंज.
सी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, स्वाति, लाइफ में ना 3 एरियाज होते हैं. वन इज, आई
हम्म.
नो दैट आई know how to
हम्म.
do podcast, right? You know how
हम्म.
to be a parent.
हम्म.
You know that. So you
हम्म.
know that you know. Then another area is, I know that I
हम्म.
don't know. That area is, I know that I don't
हम्म.
know kite flying, or I know that I don't know how to, fly
हम्म.
an aeroplane, right? Then there is a third area, which is, I don't know that I don't know. And that is where our blind spots are, right? और वो हमारे ब्लाइंड स्पॉट कौन देख सकता है?
हम्म.
हमारे ब्लाइंड स्पॉट बाहर वाले देख सकते हैं. Somebody else can see up. When you look at people, when they come to you
Yeah.
for parenting coaching, you are able to tell them. You can tell them that's your blind spot. You are not seeing it, but this is what you're
हम्म.
doing
Yeah.
subconsciously. That's the game. That's where a coach comes
हम्म.
in. So one thing, first thing is, आजकल
हाँ.
बहुत ज्ञान है. आप YouTube पे जाके आराम से ढूंढ सकते हो हाउ टू रीप्रोग्राम योर
ठीक है.
सबकॉन्शियस,
हम्म.
राइट? बस उसको, सबकॉन्शियस को रीप्रोग्राम किए बगैर
हम्म.
कुछ नहीं होगा. बिकॉज जब तक आप अपने सबकॉन्शियस में नेगेटिव लेके बैठे हो, यू विल ओनली
करेक्ट.
मैनिफेस्ट नेगेटिव. बिकॉज 5% आप सुबह मैनिफेस्टेशन कर लोगे, 5% आप दिन में याद रख लोगे, 25% काम.
हाँ. हाँ.
So first thing is,
हम्म.
reprogram your subconscious,
ठीक है.
right? Second is, you need to take massive actions, because problem क्या होती है when people talk about manifestation? The first thing they get is okay, अब तो हमें सिर्फ बैठ के वाइब्रेट करना है और ग्रेट हो जाना है. नहीं होगा.
नहीं.
I'll give a story. A person, he went to God, and he said, God, मैंने इतना
हाँ.
थॉट्स में डाला, इतना सारा मैंने वाइब्रेशन में डाला, और मैंने इतना कुछ किया, तब भी मेरी लॉटरी नहीं लगी. तो गॉड सेड, तुमने
हाँ.
टिकट कब खरीदी? गॉड सेड, तुमने टिकट कब खरीदी?
हाँ.
So that's the game,
देखा. हाँ.
right? तो एक्शन नहीं किया तो कुछ नहीं होगा,
हाँ.
right? So massive action, keep your vibration high,
Okay.
right? So if you do these tools also, it will really help you. But along with it, you have to understand manifestation is about balance, alignment, and momentum. Momentum, I said, you have to be in action. Balancing करना है अपनी masculine feminine का, balancing करना है अपने chakras का, alignment करना है subconscious और conscious का, because conscious तो कह रहा है, like problem का आती है, we think positive but we feel negative. I want good health but I'm thinking about sickness. I want money but I'm feeling lack. कितनी, इट्स लाइक दिस कि जो थॉट्स है ना वो गाड़ी है, और फीलिंग है ना ड्राइवर है. कितनी भी अच्छी गाड़ी हो, ड्राइवर नहीं होगा तो गाड़ी कहीं नहीं जाएगी. Most important is to align your thoughts and feelings, and that's where people are making a mistake.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alignment of these two is very, very, very important. So
Hmm.
this is the game, Swati, and if you take care of all these things, you'll be a master manifester. No worries.
Yeah. So you tell me one thing, like you made me understand so beautifully about how to actually work on yourself. Like the example of a driver as well as the car is so impactful. कि actually हम कितनी बार सोचते हैं कि मतलब ड्राइवर और उसका जो रिश्ता है ना इतना प्यारा है, और जब तक हमारा माइंड और लर्निंग सब अलाइन नहीं होगी तो एक्चुअली इट विल बी अ रॉन्ग way to say that I will reach my destination on time. It is impossible. It is just not possible. Now, but as parents, we often carry the scarcity mindset. वो हमारे पता नहीं पुश्तैनी से है, मतलब जैसे हम लोग we have inherited from like ages. Now, how do we break those kind of mindset cycles? How to raise like a healthier and abundant outlook kind of for us, for our children? And I obviously feel that जो मैं खुद करूंगी वो मैं अपने बच्चों को सिखा पाऊंगी. तो obviously for me, working on myself is very, very important than working on my children, because my children are exactly like, जैसे Xerox machine है. They are exactly copying me. So because of that, I really want to know, how do I break that, scarcity mindset, or how do I break that thing which has been baggaged with me for years? So simple example, like, should women be eating last? Should be women always sacrificing? Should women be always doing everything like a superwoman? So I say my parents not to do that. But unfortunately, parents come and say me, ma'am, हमारी मम्मियों ने भी किया था. And then I say, नहीं, वो तो you have to break that cycle. But it's very easier to say than done, because अब आपने इतने सालों से एक जो रिश्ता बनाया है, आपके हस्बैंड को ये बिलीव करना कि अचानक आप भी चेंज हो रहे हो, आप भी एक, you're changing and making yourself feel that अच्छा मैं गिल्ट फ्री. आज भी मेरे को अगर हस्बैंड को मैं खाना नहीं देती तो आई टेल हिम, मोहित खाना ले लीजिए या आप ले लो ना. बट अंदर से मुझे हमेशा वो दुख होता है या मुझे वो गिल्ट होता है दैट मैं क्यों नहीं दे सकती, ऐसा क्या बड़ा बात है. आई एम वर्किंग, आई नो व्हाई डिड आई टेल हिम, बट देन something always pinches me really hard that I can also do it, but I make a conscious effort to say my heart, नहीं मैं ऐसे नहीं सोचूंगी अपने बारे में. I am also working, that's why I've told him, and it's not that big a deal. Why am I thinking? But I still think.
Yeah.
So how do I break that? Like how do we parents break that? But this is just a small example, but because I know you are coming from a background where you understand this so beautifully, because you are PhD in quantum physics. So yes, I understand that. So how do we tackle that?
Okay, first of all, there are two things that you asked about. You said poverty consciousness, and then we came to the women part. So we'll address it one by one.
Yeah, yeah,
So yes, you are right. We have come through so many lifetimes, right? This is not the only first lifetime that we are having.
yeah,
So
yeah.
we were slaves, and we have a history of, uh, the country which we are in. We have been ruled for so many years, and it is in our DNA. Our parents, our grandparents, everybody is carrying that. Ki hum,
Correct.
we were Sone ki Chidiya, and then we became, what we
Hmm.
are today. And that poverty consciousness, and most of us, we have seen 1947, our parents or parents or
Hmm.
our grandparents have seen the separation. So
Yeah,
we are coming from that mindset, and it's in
yeah,
our DNA.
yeah.
But having said that, yes, DNA reimprinting hoti hai. We can change our DNA reimprints, right? We can work on it, and this cycle can be broken. This is sometimes, अगर बहुत ज़्यादा डीप में नहीं जाएंगे, तो हम बहुत कुछ करते हैं, एंसेस्ट्रल जनरेशनल ट्रॉमा हील करते हैं फॉर दैट
Hmm.
मैटर, एंड वी
Wow.
ऑल कैरी दैट. वी डू फैमिली कॉन्स्टलेशंस, एंड देयर आर अदर थिंग्स दैट वी कैन यूज टू गो इफ वी वांट टू गो दैट डीप. बट व्हाट आई रियलाइज्ड इज कि इतना डीप जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं होती है. Mostly it is, we are carrying it from our programming, like we saw our mother and father fighting for money. So
Correct.
it's our programming, and programming starts um, as early as when we were in the mother's womb,
Yeah.
right? So हमारी
True.
programming तो तब से start हो गई है. So we
Hmm.
were in the mother's womb when the programming starts, and we have seen or heard our parents fighting or doing this. So that is where we are carrying that. But that was that. Now
Hmm.
we have grown up, right? And we have all this knowledge. Like you are
Yes.
working on yourself, and people are working on themselves. Now you can create a new story and start
Hmm.
living. You have to understand everything is a neural pathway. Our brains had neurons. अब जब हमने
Yeah.
कुछ सुना था, वो neurons fire and wire किए, and one day they got tired of firing and wiring कि ये तो रोज यही सोचती है. So they just stuck together, and it became a neural pathway, which is memory. Now
Correct.
you need to, there is something, earlier they used to say कि जो बन गया वो बन गया, but there is something called neuroplasticity. So
Hmm.
neuroplasticity actually says that your brain is malleable. So you
Yes.
can create new neural pathways, you can work on yourself, and
Hmm.
that is where you can change whatever, nothing is set in stone. So वो change
Hmm.
हो सकता है.
Hmm.
That can be worked. Second thing about being a mother, eating last and all that, we've seen our mothers do that.
Yeah.
गाड़ी में अगर पीछे बैठना है तो विल से मैं बैठ जाऊंगी. वी हैव डन
Ah.
ऑल दीस थिंग्स.
Correct.
अब ये तुम लोग आगे बैठ जाओ. एंड
Ah.
द थिंग इज कि व्हेन वी डोंट रिस्पेक्ट आवरसेल्व्स, then our children also stop respecting us. At one point of time they start taking you for granted.
Granted. Hmm.
they take you कि ओके मम्मी ही पीछे बैठेगी, या
Hmm.
मम्मी ही लास्ट खाएगी, या
Ah.
मम्मी को ही ठंडा फुल्का मिलेगा. So
Ah.
first of all you have to understand we are doing this because while women were growing up, तो हमने घर में बहुत सारी चीजें देखी हैं. We've seen our mothers do it, we've seen our grandparents do it,
Yes.
we've seen things like कि लड़कियां सुनाई देती हैं, दिखाई नहीं देती हैं. So
Hmm.
it was always, we've grown up with all.
I've heard this proverb. Oh my goodness. My English teacher used to say, when we used to laugh out loud, she used to say, women are supposed to be seen, not to be heard, my darling. And this is how she used to say
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
So, जैसे आपने बोला, I just remembered, oh yes, ये तो मेरी English
Yes.
teacher भी बोलती
So I
थी.
got it, है ना? तो ये ऐसा ही है. तो all these belief systems are actually sitting in our head, and that is why we feel guilty when we don't do even a small thing.
Yeah.
When you did not give food to your husband, it's not a big deal, but वो guilt जो है ना, वो हमारे अंदर program की
Exactly. I understand deep inside कि it's not a big deal. I mean, I
Yeah,
tell
it's not a
myself,
big
I
deal.
think, why am I
खाना
feeling
बन
bad?
चुका
It's
है,
okay.
किचन में पड़ा है, आप डालना ही है.
डालना ही तो है.
But the guilt will,
It always
yes,
haunts you. और
yeah,
खुद ही खराब
always
लगता है अगर वो एक शब्द भी बोल देते ना कि अच्छा मैंने आज ठंडा खाया, मुझे ही दुख होता है यार, मैं इससे अच्छा उठ के दे ही देती.
exactly. First thing first, you have to understand कि
हाँ,
वो programming है. It's not
हाँ,
you, it's your programming. So the
yeah,
best thing you can do for your child is, you see, as you said very rightly, कि वो मेरी photocopy है. So children don't do what you say.
हाँ,
Children do what they see. So
very true.
first of all, you have to teach your child to love themselves, and that will start with you loving yourself.
Yeah,
So it
correct.
starts with self love, and
Yeah,
when you love yourself. And when I
Hmm.
say self love, I don't mean going to a parlor or going to a spa or spending alone time. नहीं, वो self love नहीं है, वो
हाँ.
vanity भी हो सकता है. But
हाँ.
self love is different. Self love is
Yeah.
when you are not making things in your big in your head, or you are not criticizing yourself, or
Yeah.
you're not feeling guilty for these small things.
Yeah.
That's self
Absolutely.
love, right?
Hmm.
So if I
Hmm.
love myself, then I know and also understand. If I tell you in the context of energy and vibration, एक बच्चा होता है ना, वो माँ के पास चिपकता है और माँ उसको हाथ से बोलती है जा यहाँ से, बट वो फिर भी चिपकता है बिकॉज उसको वो
हाँ.
फीलिंग, वो वाइब्रेशन आती है, राइट?
Hmm.
शी
Hmm.
लव्स मी, राइट?
Yeah.
इफ
Yeah.
योर वाइब्रेशन इज लव एंड कंपैशन
Hmm.
and you're not able to give ek din khana or whatever, they'll get it because
हाँ.
they get your vibration. We talk
Yeah.
about action. I have seen so many people जो एक्शन में सब कुछ कर रहे हैं. मैं अपनी मदर इन लॉ का बहुत ध्यान रखती हूँ. सुबह मैं उनको गुरुद्वारे लेके जाती हूँ, दोपहर को मैं उनको रोटी बना के खिलाती हूँ, बट स्टिल शी इज नॉट हैप्पी because what is your vibration, darling? What are the
हाँ.
feelings you're carrying? That
Hmm.
matter a
Hmm.
lot. So
Is it
आप
love? Is it responsibility? So there's a difference
are you
between
just
love and
doing it कि हो कि
responsibility.
खत्म हो काम, मुझे करना है
हाँ.
नहीं,
हाँ. वो
or
responsibility
you
हो
do
गई
it
ना.
with love and
Out of
compassion.
love. हाँ.
Yes.
हाँ.
So when your vibration is pure, Swati, it doesn't matter. People will get it.
Hmm. Hmm.
People will get it. So
Yeah.
first work on your vibration. If your
Wow.
vibration is pure and you love yourself, then
Hmm.
you will not feel guilty about such small things. Got it?
Yeah, true. Very true. So, wow. So tell me one thing. Like any small or daily rituals like gratitude, visualization that busy parents can practice to stay aligned with the abundance energy. What are those?
Okay. So first of all, मुझे ये feel होता है कि this is my personal thing as a coach also, कि strategy is 20%.
Hmm.
80% is mindset. So
Correct.
I work on the mindset. Mindset matlab I work on the vibration of the person because as I
Hmm.
said, your personality creates your personal reality. तो आपकी personality बदल जाए तो personal reality अपने आप बदल जाएगी, right?
Hmm.
So,
Hmm.
but
Hmm.
if you're asking for rituals, gratitude is a must.
Hmm. Correct.
Every time, because first of all understand, universe ना आपकी भाषा नहीं समझता है. आप सुबह उठ के बोल रहे हो ओ आई एम अबंडेंट, यूनिवर्स को नहीं समझ में आता. यूनिवर्स को सिर्फ एक ही भाषा समझ में आती है और वो फीलिंग की भाषा है.
Hmm.
What are you feeling, darling? So if you are feeling lack, universe will say, okay, she's feeling lack, let's give her more lack. If you
हाँ.
are feeling angry, the universe will send you more reasons to be angry about. So if
Hmm.
you are in gratitude, you're saying, okay, मेरी लाइफ में सब गड़बड़ है लेकिन शुक्र है कि मेरे सर पे छत है या मैं अलाइव हूँ, मैं सुबह उठ गई हूँ. Thank God
Hmm.
for that. The moment you start doing gratitude, it sets a momentum in positive momentum motion,
Hmm.
and then positive things will come into your life too. Because now universe is giving you more reasons to be grateful for.
हाँ.
That
हाँ.
is when
Very
you
true.
start receiving so much, तो abundance ही
Hmm.
abundance हो जाएगी. और abundance भी ना सबके लिए different है. किसी के लिए
हाँ.
abundance मतलब पैसा है, किसी के लिए abundance of relationships है, किसी के लिए abundance of health है. That definition also depends from person to person.
हाँ. Very true. Very
Yeah.
true. वाओ वाओ. सो मेरे को ये चीज बताओ, जैसे हम ग्रैटिट्यूड की बात करते हैं, सो एज पर यू यू सेड दैट आई वर्क ऑन माइंडसेट. सो हाउ डू यू वर्क ऑन माइंडसेट ओनली? What
Okay.
do you do? So how do you work on anybody's mindset? How what is your pattern of taking things forward?
I first of all work on the subconscious, and subconscious में क्या होता है? Subconscious में is all negative stories. Past is sitting. Anything
Mm.
that you gave a charge is sitting in your subconscious. That is how
Mm.
subconscious, right? So
Yeah.
subconscious में, and it starts from the day, as I said, there could be. So there are 4 levels of consciousness, right? There's unconscious. Unconscious is from which you're carrying from your past lives, and then there is the subconscious, which starts programming from 0 to 7 and then 14 and 28, and then is the conscious, and then is the superconscious, which is the higher self, right?
Mm.
So I work on the unconscious first, I work on the subconscious and the conscious level, and then if required I work on the unconscious level.
Mm.
And in my 1 year program, which is a total transformation program, I take you to the subconscious conscious level.
Wow.
So this is how these are levels of working. So we start with
Mm.
the conscious and subconscious, then work on the unconscious if required, and connect you to the superconscious. That's how.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So last time when we were talking, Dr. Piyush, you were mentioning about ice bath. So
Yeah.
how does that help? I want to know about that.
Okay. So, आजकल cryotherapy is very very famous in countries, in foreign countries and everywhere, and in India also.
Yeah.
You must have heard of cold sculpt. So, what they do in the
Mm.
cold sculpt is they actually somewhere they give you the cold exposure, and your fat starts melting. So,
Yeah.
this ice bath is very very good tool to let go of any inflammation that you have in body, any sores that you have in body. It is good for cardiovascular health, it is
Mm.
good for your nervous system, and it
Mm.
is also produces 250% more dopamine than what you receive when you drink or when you
Wow.
have that. So it is actually a tool to align your mental, emotional, physical and spiritual. So
Yeah.
it is a really powerful tool, and
Mm.
you break your barriers. You actually move beyond your limits. So I
Yeah.
had this woman who came to me last Sunday when I had this ice bath, and she came and the first thing was they have brought me जबरदस्ती लाए हैं मुझे नहीं करना है, but I will see them, I will watch them, and I'll make videos. So the whole family was pushing her, and I was told her, relax, she will. And she said, after seeing all that, she said, मैं जाऊंगी, but मेरे को कोई force नहीं करेगा, मैं सिर्फ अंदर बैठ के आऊंगी. She went in, she started crying, and she released a lot. She had some problem. Her trauma was with her parent. Okay, and she released a lot. And the moment she released, she sat quietly in the ice bath. Imagine Swati when she was, others did it for 5 minutes and she did for 7 minutes. And
Wow.
this was her first time.
Wow.
Actually, we don't do it in the first time. We just do 1 or 2 or 3 minutes max.
Obviously.
She was sitting in the ice bath for 7 minutes, and it was like huge for her because when she came out, she was a changed person. A
Transformed.
lot of release happens in the ice bath, and
Yeah.
whatever is stuck in your energy system,
Energy
it
system.
comes out.
Mhm.
It comes
Because you're
out.
pushing yourself. No, you're pushing
Yes,
yourself. It is
yes.
a different experience altogether.
Yes, 100%. And
Mm.
ice is such a wonderful thing कि वो उसमें खुद ही density है, and it
Mm.
pushes out your density out. So your
Mm.
body actually releases a lot.
Yeah.
And you know what? Your capillaries actually shrink, and all
Mm.
the blood comes out. So the blood is here, and when you come out, the blood rushes back. तो जो भी organs में गंदगी होती है ना, वो इतने rush से blood आएगा कि वो सब बाहर हो जाती है. So it
Wow.
cleanses your body system. So
Mm.
ice bath is nowadays if you look at, पहले लोग बोलते थे कि अगर बैक में दर्द है या आपको कोई चोट लगी है तो दे विल से हॉट वाटर रख लो.
हाँ,
आजकल क्या
तो
बोलते
बोलते
हैं,
हैं आइस, हाँ, आइस पैक रखो.
that's it, इन्फ्लेमेशन जाती है उससे.
हाँ,
As one of the actresses had mentioned, कि my fat was not fat, it was actually inflammation in my body.
हाँ, हाँ,
Think
हाँ.
about it. Ice
Correct.
helps you there.
Right. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful. So, any personal note, what is one powerful manifestation experience from your own life that gives you goosebumps?
हाँ. So my life is all manifestation. My
Hmm.
life is all manifestation. Everything from the house that I'm living in to
Wow.
my daughter's wedding, which is happening in October, and how she
Oh,
manifested.
congratulations.
Thank you.
Wow. Beautiful.
How she manifested the boy and
Groom.
how we worked on it. Like I remember, so this was my daughter, she passed out from college when COVID was at the peak, right? And
Hmm.
everybody was saying you should go back because she was in US. So
हाँ.
everybody was saying अब MBA कर लिया, अब तुझे वापस जाना पड़ेगा because जिनके jobs हैं वो भी जा रहे हैं.
Hmm.
So she was also disheartened कि मेरे को job मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा क्योंकि लोगों की job
Correct.
सच में जा
हाँ.
रही हैं, है ना?
Wow.
So we manifested, we created. What do you want? She said, I want a big city, I want a big company, I want somewhere there is a water body because I love water. And
हाँ.
we created all that. We sat and we created. And we started manifesting. And there was a plan B कि okay, अगर नहीं होगा तो घर आएंगे और पापा के साथ काम करेंगे और कोविड को enjoy करेंगे. ठीक है?
हाँ.
So that was done. 17th
हाँ.
October was the date which we had set. I still remember.
हाँ.
And she started working on it. And 15th October, I was at a retreat and she calls and she said, guess who got 3 proposals? So she actually got proposals from 3 companies. and she chose Tesla. She lives in SFO, water body, big city, big company. She manifested,
Wow,
and it
beautiful.
seriously gave me goosebumps कि कोविड में जब किसी को जॉब नहीं मिल रहा था, she manifested it. And my
Wow.
life has been like this. Everything is manifest.
Touch wood, God grace. Yes. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So I'm sure she will live happily ever after. I am super excited for her wedding. All the very best and
Thank you.
blessings and love to her.
Thank you so much.
So, Dr. Piyush, we are done with our questions. I think we had a lot of takeaways. I think me in person as well as everybody who's watching are. But I have a small rapid fire for you. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So, one word you associate with abundance.
Relationships.
Okay. Morning ritual you never skip.
My meditations.
Okay. A book that changed your energy.
Autobiography of a yogi.
Okay. One thing parents should stop saying to their kids.
I told you so.
I think everybody can relate that. So,
Ah.
if you could manifest anything instantly right now, what would it be?
That I shift to my new house.
Ah, that's so sweet. Lovely. So, your go to affirmation.
I am enough.
What brings you instant joy?
My children.
Ah, that's so sweet. Typical mommy. so that finishes our question in terms
Thank
of
you.
rapid
Thank you.
fire. So
Yeah.
that was so powerful, Dr. Piyush. It's always been an honor to have you here. It's a pleasure. So you are only, I mean, I think you are a true powerhouse of manifestation, if I can think of, because when I was going through your work, your profile, I thought this is the best topic I think we should pick, because these days, honestly, people talk a lot about manifestation, affirmation, and then they say, why is it not working? Now
Yes.
we know why is it not working. It
Yes.
is not just about saying, it is about feeling your thoughts, your understanding, your inner emotions, your alignment, your subconscious brain. So all the things are so important. It is just not that you just say in the morning and you just forget it. Bola to tha, hua nahi fir bhi. Matlab, that is like very typical. But that is what is happening, because people
Yes.
hear words and they become fancy words like AI, like affirmations, like manifestation. They're like those fancy words which people want to hear, and people want to say that I know it. But no, you don't know it. You
No.
need to know it more, because if you want to really manifest, if you really want things to happen in your life, what you're thinking. For that,
Yes.
you should
See,
think.
it's not about learning. It's not about knowing because we know a lot. आजकल की generation is about knowing only. YouTube
Yeah.
खुला हुआ है, WhatsApp पे रोज ज्ञान आता है. Knowing से कुछ नहीं होता है.
Ah,
Knowing से जाता उसको implement करने
action.
से होता है. उसको अपनी life में लगाने से होता है because your personality only creates your personal reality. So उसको अपनी
Absolutely.
personality का हिस्सा बनाना पड़ता है.
हाँ,
That's when
हाँ.
manifestation becomes instant.
Correct. I loved your example of lottery also. It's very true. You can sit and cry and you can feel that यार क्यों नहीं हो रहा, भगवान जी क्यों नहीं दे रहे, अरे भाई तू पहले लॉटरी का टिकट तो खरीद. So मतलब saying that I'm not getting rich, and why are you not doing it? For that you could at least try. I mean, at least do something about it. So
Yes.
that is so incredible. So to everybody watching, remember, manifestation isn't magic. It is energy, it's intention, it's alignment, and it is available to you right now. Am I right, Dr. Piyush?
100%. It's 24/7.
Yeah,
It's not
yeah.
something you do get early in the morning.
Yeah, because I was reading a book. So recently I'm reading a book called The Power of Subconscious Mind by Joseph
Yeah.
Murthy.
It's a
So
big
he says
power.
that the subconscious mind actually never sleeps. The
Yes.
conscious mind sleeps and subconscious mind never sleeps. So that is awake 24/7. So
Yes.
actually it's time for us to understand how powerful our subconscious mind is. And you also mentioned it rightly that 95% is what you do is your subconscious mind. Conscious mind is
100%.
just 5%. And that's what is exactly written in the book. That we don't realize the power of subconscious mind, but that is really true. I mean, I heard this beautiful example, obviously from the book only, that there was a ship. So people were talking about why is the captain not instructing what to do, what not to do. And from the engine, the person called the captain to say or ask, should we go right, should we go left? So that is, so in the person who's sitting in the engine does not know where
Yes.
to go, what to do, what not to do. But the captain exactly knows because he's in the engine area where he cannot see. He's just following. So that is what a subconscious and a
That is
conscious
what your
mind.
subconscious is. Yes,
So I
exactly.
was like, I was at awe, and I was like, oh shit, yes. I
अब
mean,
मैं कॉन्शियसली क्या बोल रही हूँ सारा टाइम?
हाँ तो मतलब नाउ अब लगता है कि ये मतलब क्या है ये, व्हाट इज दिस? आई मीन जितना हमें लग रहा था, अब तो लाइफ ही फेक लगती है, दैट द वर्ल्ड इज फेक, लाइफ इज फेक,
यस, वी
जो
आर
आप
प्रोग्राम्ड एंड प्रोग्रामिंग ऐसे हो रखी है कि हमारी को जो लाइफ दिखाई दे रही है दैट इज फ्रॉम आवर परसेप्शंस, फ्रॉम
या
आवर प्रोग्रामिंग. एवरीबॉडी इज
करेक्ट
सीइंग लाइफ डिफरेंटली क्योंकि सबके अपने
या
अपने चश्मे हैं. तो
माय
सब अपनी
गॉड
परसेप्शन से दुनिया को देख रहे हैं.
करेक्ट करेक्ट
ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट
एब्सोल्युटली
लुकिंग फेक.
Very true. Very, very true. Very true. So, thank you so much, Dr. Piyush. Thank you once again for being a part of Wisdom Waves. We're truly, truly, truly grateful to have you here. And to our beautiful audience, if you resonated with today's session, please share it with as many people possible. And if you want to know about how to align yourself with subconscious mind, how to actually understand the magic of manifestation, which actually is not a magic, it is about intention alignment. So when you, if you want to do that, please go ahead, check out Dr. Piyush's page, because I'm going to tag her, and you can please go ahead and check out her page, her work, because she's doing some incredible work, incredible retreats. I've seen few of her videos, although I've not attended, but I certainly wish to attend.
Next time I'll invite you for my retreat and maybe for the one day retreat which I do in Faridabad only.
I will certainly be there.
Yeah,
Pakka
yeah.
se.
You
So
have to
thank
come
you.
to ice bath also.
I would love to. I've never had it, but I really, it's like one of those bucket
Yes.
list. I have to tick
Yes.
that bucket list.
Yes. Yes. ठीक है.
So, Hannah, so thank you so much, Dr. Piyush.
Okay.
Thank you so
Okay.
much for being here. It was
Yeah.
lovely. It's always a pleasure.
Bye. Yeah.
Bye
Bye.
bye. See ya.
Thank you, Swati. Bye.
Bye bye.